Your doors do much more than open and close. They protect your home, keep energy costs in check, and make a strong first impression. In Phoenixville, where seasonal temperature changes and humidity can take a toll on building materials, worn or damaged doors can quickly become a serious problem. Knowing the warning signs can help you act before minor issues turn into costly repairs or safety risks. Here are the top signs you may need immediate door replacement in Phoenixville. Difficulty opening or closing the door. If your door sticks, drags on the floor, or won't latch properly, it's more than an inconvenience. Warping from moisture, shifting frames, or structural wear can all cause alignment issues. When repeated adjustments no longer fix the problem, replacing the door is often the most reliable solution. Noticeable drafts or rising energy bills. Feeling cold air in winter or warm air in summer near your doors is a clear red flag. Drafts mean your door is no longer sealing properly, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. In Phoenixville homes, older or damaged doors can significantly reduce energy efficiency. A new, properly insulated door can restore comfort and lower monthly utility costs. Visible cracks, warping, or rot. Cracks in wood, bubbling on fiberglass, or soft spots near the bottom of the door indicate material failure. Moisture damage is especially common in exterior doors exposed to rain and humidity. Once rot or severe warping sets in, repairs are rarely effective. Replacement is the safest and longest-lasting option. Increased outside noise. If street noise, neighbors, or weather sounds seem louder than before, your door may be losing its soundproofing ability. Gaps, thinning materials, or internal damage can allow noise to pass through easily. Modern replacement doors are designed with better insulation that improves both comfort and privacy. Outdated or weak security. Older doors often lack modern locking systems and reinforced frames. If your door feels flimsy, has a loose lock, or shows signs of forced entry attempts, your home's security may be compromised. Immediate door replacement in Phoenixville can provide stronger materials, advanced locks, and better peace of mind for you and your family. Condensation or fogging between glass panels. For doors with glass inserts, fogging or moisture trapped between panes signals a broken seal. This reduces insulation and can lead to further damage over time. Since seal failure cannot be repaired effectively, replacing the door is usually the most practical solution. Fading, peeling, or constant maintenance. If your door needs frequent repainting, refinishing, or repairs just to look presentable, it may be nearing the end of its lifespan. Modern replacement doors offer durable finishes that resist fading, peeling, and weather damage, saving you time and ongoing maintenance costs. Poor curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A worn or outdated door can negatively impact curb appeal and even reduce property value. Replacing it with a stylish, modern option can instantly refresh your home's appearance and make a strong impression. When to act. If you notice one or more of these signs, delaying replacement can lead to higher energy bills, safety risks, and structural damage. Professional door replacement in Phoenixville ensures proper installation, improved performance, and long-term reliability. A new door isn't just an upgrade, it's an investment in comfort, security, and the overall value of your home. Acting early helps you avoid emergencies and enjoy the benefits of a door that truly works for your needs.